ng Cebu. Hi guys! Dito na tayo ngayon sa Makati International Airport. Touchdown, safe and sound. Maulan man sa Manila, dito hindi. Maaraw, pero hindi naman ganun katirik yung araw. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Diretso tayo nga ng B Resort. Dito lang yun sa Mactan, malapit. Doon muna tayo for 2 nights bago tayo mag Camotes Islands for another 2 nights with my Cebu friends. Let's go! Alright, so parehas to sa Grab pick up. Dito na siya sa Arrivals Bay A1, 2, and 3. So meron designated pick up point ng mga Grab sa mga airport. Ito na tayo guys. Tara, check-in muna tayo. Dalawang aga natin. So, tambay muna tayo sa labas kasi 3 PM pa yung check-in natin. Let's go! Yeah! Ayan siya. Welcome to B Resort. First time ko dito actually. Ayan. Tambay muna tayo dyan sa harap ng beach. Habang nag-aantay sa 3 PM check-in. Konting tour tayo. Then yung restaurant. Okay. So, ito yung beach. Swimmable daw yan eh. Sabi, tapos ayun yung inflatable. And merong beach ball. Okay. So, kailangan mo ng life jacket para makapaglaro ka dun sa inflatable. Okay, so yun yung beach natin. Nagtambay-tambay dyan. So, yun ang harap ng beach resort. So, yun muna for now. Tara, balik tayo. Idlip muna tayo doon. Okay, first order of business. Siyempre, lechon. We have a gym and a night swimming light. This is the view from the pool. They have a bar. Ito the deck. Okay. Ito ang view kapag madilim na. So yun yung resort. Ito yung Haraping Beach Valley. Yan. Beach. Hindi ka magtambay-tambay dyan. Alright guys. Today is July 4th. Happy Independence sa mga friends natin dyan sa US. O diba, ang gym nila merong beachfront view tsaka pool. Gym muna tayo. And I'm here with my Cebu friends.
How about this one? This one's new.
Hi guys. Today is July 5th. I'm with my Cebu friends. This is my new friend, Dave. Right, so as of today, walang boat papuntang Consuelo sa Camotes from Mactan Wharf. So nag-reroute kami dito sa Danao Port, sakay kami sa Jomalia papuntang Consuelo, Camotes. Magbo-boarding na tayo sa Jomalia Shipping Corp. 2 hours have passed and we're almost there. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa port, sa Consuelo Port. Dinala namin yung car eh. So, 2,000 pesos lang siya from the port. Going here. just got here at Camotes Island. First time ko dito. So let's create new memories here.
Wait lang ha.
Dito tayo sa hostel namin. Dito sa Camotes Island. Let's go! Yan ang mga Cebu friends. Dinner time! There's no easy way to go. Thank you. Welcome to Santiago Beach. First stop. Island bar yung maliit doon. Yung likod niya, community. Ayun na, may basketball court pa doon. Okay guys, dito tayo. Low tide siya eh. So kaya merong island bar. Ayan. Hi guys, welcome to Bukilat Cave. Tara, explore natin. Hi guys, so papasok na tayo ngayon sa Bukilat Cave. Hi guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa loob. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa loob ng cave. Clear naman tong water, so I think swimmable siya. Dito daw nag-shoot yung Catherine tsaka Daniel. Hi guys, welcome to our third destination. Sa mga local lang. Doon sa atin. Oh, okay. Diyan na lang. Dyan na yan.
Ilagay mo na lang dyan. Oh, ay, nakakuan man. Sorry pa.
Welcome to Santiago Beach. Ang layo ng nilakad namin. Super low tide. And there's your rainbow. Alright guys, so magsa-surprise tattoo tayo. Bunot na tayo. Tanda mo naman, Lord. Oh, shell. Guys, so we're now day 3 here and we're going back to the city. Same shipping lang in Jomalia. So para mga 300 pesos yung ticket na yan. Boarding na kami. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's past 1.5 hours na yan. We're back here at Danao Port. Guys, time check. It's almost 1:45 and I'm here now sa Naiya on my way home. Okay. Hi guys, so I'm back. Touchdown dito na sa airport, waiting for my Grab, going back home. That's it for KCW TV. Thank you for watching.